Example 8. Convert 55 miles per hour to feet per second. And if we consider what 55 miles per hour looks like, the P means per, and when you see per something, that goes on the bottom. So 55 miles on top, per hour, hour goes on the bottom. It's very important, our initial setup of the problem, that we get all the units in the right position, because that dictates where we're going to put our numbers when we start multiplying by these equality facts. So what I know about miles and feet is that 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. Again, that may be known to you, may not be known to you. Every fact you need to know is on page 293 in that little box. So anything involving any kind of unit conversion in this chapter specifically is in that box on page 293. When we move to chapter 5.3, if there's any new ones, they'll throw those in addition to the ones you already know on 293. So you might have a couple pages you might need to refer back to. All right, well, 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. And what that does for me is currently miles resides in the numerator. I want feet in the numerator, so I'm going to put miles on the bottom because I need 1 unit on top, the same unit on the bottom. Feet goes on top because that's what I know is equal to each other. And one of these equals 5,280 feet. So 1 mile, 5,280. Cancel, cancel, and now I've got feet per hour. Again, converting miles to feet has no effect on hours. Converting hours to seconds has no effect on miles and feet. So just you have two separate things to do. The second fact I know is that 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds. That's a fact. And in time, 1 minute equals 60 seconds, 1 hour equals 60 minutes, or 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds, and 1 day equals 24 hours. So everything about time that you need to know, 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds. So currently, looking where hours is in the denominator of the fraction, so I need to make sure hours goes in the numerator, 1 on top, 1 on bottom, matching. Seconds in the denominator, and one of these equals 3,600 of those. Cancel hours. And now we have feet per second as a unit. All the numbers are positioned somewhere, top or bottom. We multiply tops, we divide bottoms. So 55 times 5,280 divided by 3,600 will get us the number of feet per second. So we get our calculator out. 55 times 5280 divided by 3,600 comes out to 80.6 repeating feet per second. You can put FPS if you want to, feet/sec, whatever. And again, we want to round to the correct number of significant digits. 55 has 2 sig figs. 80.6 repeating has infinity sig figs, right? So we need to round that to 2, so that's going to be 81 feet per second. Would be the best final answer based on the rules involved in this book.